Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the phonetics. What is phonetics? Phonetics is a scientific study of speech sounds. What are the speech sounds? In English, how many alphabet? There are 26 alphabet in English, but there are 44 sounds. Alphabets are 26, but sounds are 44. Though English alphabet has 26 letters, the letters altogether produce 44 sounds, which make the speaker feel difficult in pronunciation of such sounds. The branch that deals with this particular medium of speech is called phonetics. So, in English there are 26 alphabet, but there are 44 sounds. If we know the 44 sounds, we have to study about the phonetics. What is phonetics? Phonetics is a scientific study of 44 speech sounds. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics which deals with the production, transmission and reception of the sounds of human speech. So, if we study phonetics, we can know how to production and how transmission and reception of the sounds of human speech. So, phonetics is a scientific study of speech sounds. So, though we need not get deep into the topic, we need to have some understanding about it at this level. Phonetics is a very vast subject. So, according to our topic, we study to know the basics of phonetics is enough. Okay, these 44 sounds are classified into three categories. They are, so the 44 sounds are classified into three categories. The number one, pure vowels. Pure vowels are also called monophthongs. They are 12 sounds. So, pure vowels are 12 sounds. Pure vowels are also called monophthongs. So, they are 12. The second one is second division, vowel glides. Vowel glides also called diphthongs. They are 8 in number. So, how many vowel glides in sounds? They are 8 vowel glides. They are also called diphthongs. So, next, consonants. The third part is consonants. How many consonant sounds? They are 24. So, the 44 sounds are divided into three categories. The number one is pure vowels, vowel glides, consonants. Pure vowels also called monophthongs. Vowel glides also called diphthongs, and the another one is consonant sounds. The pure vowels 12, vowel glides 8, consonants are 24. Altogether are 44 sounds. Okay. Consonants are again classified into two. They are voiced consonants. They are 15 number. And also voiceless consonant sounds. They are unvoiced. They are 9. They are 9. So, consonants are again divided into two parts. The number one is voiced consonants and the second one is voiceless, unvoiced consonants. So, how many voiced consonants? They are 15. How many unvoiced consonants are 9? Okay, they put together 24 consonants. So, in overall there are 24 consonant sounds and remaining are vowel sounds. Okay, what is voiced and voiceless? So we have to know what is voiced and voiceless sounds in speech sounds. If we produce a sound and place our fingers lightly on the Adam's apple, both sides of the throat during its production, our fingers will feel the vibration of the vocal cords, then it is a voiced sound. If our fingers feel nothing, no vibration, it is a voiceless sound. If we want to know the voiced or unvoiced, we have to put our fingers on our throat. If we feel vibration, it is a voiced sound. If we feel nothing, it is a unvoiced sound. So that is voiced and voiceless. Another easier process than the above is, we have to place our palms gently over our ears. If we produce a voice sound, our palms will feel the vibration. If the sound is voiceless, there will be no vibration. All the monophthongs, pure vowels are 12 and diphthongs 8 vowel clades are voiced sound. So all the monophthongs and diphthongs are voiced sounds. Here we have a look at those sounds with their phonetic symbols, which are found in any standard dictionary. You see, this 12 are pure vowels. You see, monophthongs, pure vowels 12. Monophthongs, how many monophthongs? 12. They are also called pure vowels. They are 12 in number. A vowel sound is produced when there is no obstruction to the air stream. A vowel sound is produced when there is no obstruction to the air stream. You see, there is a table. In the table, serial number, symbol, the sounds occur in position wise in a word. For example, initial, middle, final. Okay. If how it occurred in initial position, how it was occurred in middle position, how it was in final position. So in the table there are 12 pure vowels. We have to study one by one the 12 pure vowels. The number one is A. So the first symbol is A. How it was occurred in initial position in a word? About. About. If we see in the middle position, ha sound, oracle. Oracle. If we say the sound in the final position, the. So every symbol we can see in initial position, middle position and final position. The second symbol is A. For example, initial position, us. In the middle position, cut, C, ta. In the middle, C, ta, A, cut. In the final, there is no word for this sound. Only initial and middle. A, us, initial and middle position, cut. The third symbol is A. You see, in the initial position in a word, ask. Ask. In the middle position of the word, class. Class. And end of the position in a word, car. Car. And fourth symbol is E. How it is pronounced? E. For example, we can say in the initial position in a word, English. English. In the middle position, tick, tick. In the final position, pitty. In the final position, pitty. So you can see initial, middle and final. How this word was occurred in the initial position, middle position and final position. The fifth pure vowel is E. For example, eat in the initial position and also teach in the middle position and see in the final position of a word. E. For example, eat, teach, see. And another sixth pure vowel is U. In the initial there is no sound. For this U sound only we can say in the middle position cuckoo, cuckoo, and also in the final position do, do. So initial position there is no word for this who sound. And also another seventh pure vowel is oo. For example, in the initial position ooze, in the middle position moon, and also we can say final two. Again ooze, moon, two. And also another pure vowel is eighth number A. A. Example, in the initial position egg, egg. In the middle position pen, pen. This sound there is no final position of this sound in a word. The another ninth symbol is ya. We can see in the initial position of a word apple, apple. In the middle we can see bat. In the initial apple, middle bat. There is no final position of the word for this sound. Next symbol is tenth one. Tenth pure vowel is on, on. For example, in the initial position on, on. In the middle position caught. In the middle position caught. There is no final position for this sound in a word. The 11th pure vowel is a. For example, in the initial position all. In the middle position ball. In the final position law. So the sound is a. All, ball, law. The 12th pure vowel is aha, aha. In the initial position early. In the initial position early. And also in the middle position bird. In the middle position bird. And we can say final or, or. Initial early, middle bird, and final position R. Then we move into monophthongs. Already we discussed monophthongs, and then we go into diphthongs. How many diphthongs in English sounds? How many diphthongs in English? There are 8 vowel glides. They are also called vowel glides. Diphthongs are 8 in number. They are also called vowel glides. They are 8 in number. Same way we can say in the table serial number and symbol of the sound, and also examples in the initial position, middle position, and also final position we can see in the table. The first one, the first diphthong is A. Diphthong means two vowels put together. So the first one is A. Example, in the initial position 8, 8. In the middle position table, table, and final position day. So once again, symbol is A, initial 8, middle table, and also final day. Eat, 8, table, day. The second diphthong is I. Initial I, middle drive, final position pay, and also the third diphthong is OE. For example, we can see in the initial position oil, and also in the middle position noise, in the final position toy, oil, noise, toy. And also the fourth diphthong is OA, AU. The fourth one is AU. For example, in initial position old. In the middle position nose, and also final so. And the fifth diphthong is AU. For example, in the initial out. In the middle position noun, and also end sound is now. And also sixth diphthong is ER. For example, in the initial position ear, and also in the middle beard, in the final fear. And the seventh diphthong is air. For example, in the initial air, middle farewell, final rare. The last diphthong is UA. There is no initial position for this sound in a word, but we can say in the middle purely, and final pour, in the middle sound purely, and also in the final pour. These all are diphthongs. So you know how many alphabets in English? There are 26 alphabets in English. But how many sounds in English? There are 44 sounds in English. These 44 sounds are divided into pure vowels, vowel glides, consonants. Pure vowels are 12. They are also called monophthongs. And vowel glides, they are also called diphthongs. They are 8 in number. And also the last consonant sounds, they are 24. Again, these consonant sounds are divided into voiced consonants, voiceless consonants. How many voiced consonants? There are 15 voiced consonants, and there are 9 voiceless consonant sounds. So I think you all are know about the phonetics. Phonetics is a scientific study of speech sounds. So thank you very much.